Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Remember the last video I told you about the fact that my battery on the Akai MPC Live 2 was not charging? I just want to let you know now that it's been fixed. Yay! Now I'm going to show you how I did it. Let's go. All right, so this is the Akai MPC Live 2, and as you can see right here, it's currently charging. If I click on it, you see it's now 65% compared to the last time where it was already depleted, and then basically even while it was plugged, I was unable to do anything. Now, if I take off the power units, it should definitely, this should reset, 66, no longer charging, but now the battery holds, and yes, this is it right here, the battery holds. And then when I put it back, let's hope I find that particular slot from here. Right there. Now it's charging, as you can see. So basically, how was I able to fix that? Well, eventually I had to take it down to my technician. I've got a very good one here in Lagos, and he was able to take a look at it. He had to open it, take it apart, and then he realized that the problem actually came from the panel that is on the battery. There's a particular panel that charges that battery that is on the battery itself. He sent me a video of it while he was working on it, so I think I'll just put the video somewhere around here so you can see. Now, what he did was he was able to, open the battery up, and then he checked some things on the panel, and he realized that the panel was not properly charging anymore. The panel maybe got burnt or whatever. According to him, expired. So he had to remove that panel, and then he replaced it with another one. Now, it started working again. Set me back about some $50, but it was worth it because that aspect of, this Akai MPC being able to work with your battery is important. One of the reasons why I got it. Now, well, like I said earlier, should other users be expecting this kind of thing, coming from this particular device? I don't know, and I don't wish they do, and I don't hope that they have to do, because it wasn't a very funny scenario. And I know if it was to be in US or maybe like UK, it might cost me more to repair it compared to how much I spent, right now having to fix this. Considering the fact that it might also take some time, I have to send it down to them, wait, and then. But this, I took it there that same day it was fixed. I went back the next day to pick it up, and I'm all good. So I'm just saying, should you have, I hope you don't have that kind of problem, but should you have that kind of problem where anyone around you says, oh yeah, it's not charging, the first thing you tell them, it's more likely that battery panel. There's kind of like a panel on the battery. Well, that's basically what went wrong here, and I'm glad it's been fixed. So there you go. So next episode, we're gonna get back to work, making music and teaching you how to use this device to make music. That's what we do here, So if you like what we're doing, simply, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.